Are you dreaming of starting your own business? Imagine turning your skills into cash. Starting a business doesn't need to cost a fortune. Let's explore 10 amazing business models you can launch for under $100. First, let's understand what a side hustle is. A side hustle is a way to earn money outside your main job. It can help you test a business idea with minimal risk. Now, let's dive into our first model, freelancing. If you have a skill, like writing or graphic design, offer your services online. Platforms like Upwork can connect you with buyers. Next up is print on demand. Create custom designs for t-shirts or mugs. Upload your designs to websites like Redbubble. With no inventory costs, you only pay when you make a sale. The third model is dropshipping. Find products to sell online without stocking them. Use platforms like Shopify. When someone orders, you buy the product from a supplier who ships it directly to them. Fourth, consider affiliate marketing. Promote products and earn commissions. Join affiliate programs and share links on social media. Every sale made through your link earns you money. Fifth, think about blogging. Start a blog on a niche you're passionate about. Use platforms like WordPress. You can monetize through ads or affiliate links as your readership grows. The sixth idea is tutoring. If you excel in a subject, offer tutoring services. Use online tools like Zoom to reach students. It's a flexible way to earn money and help others. Seventh is handcrafted goods. If you create handmade items, sell them online. Use platforms like Etsy. Your unique creations can attract many customers. Eighth, consider social media management. Many businesses need help managing their social accounts. If you're savvy with social media, offer your services to help them grow their online presence. Ninth is virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks. Offer your organizational skills online. This can be a great way to earn extra income. Finally, give photography a shot. If you have a good camera, start taking photos for clients. Whether for events or portraits, quality photos are always in demand. To wrap it up, starting a business doesn't require a hefty investment. From freelancing to virtual assistants, there are countless opportunities. Each model can help you transition from side hustle to startup. Now it's your turn. Pick one of these ideas and take the first step today. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start your journey now. Subscribe for more tips on turning your passion into profit. Starting a business can feel overwhelming, but remember, it's about taking that crucial first step. Whether you're drawn to freelancing or intrigued by dropshipping, these ideas have the potential to transform your skills and passions into a sustainable income stream. The possibilities are vast, and with minimal investment, you can build something amazing. Each model discussed offers unique advantages, making them accessible for anyone eager to start. For instance, freelancing allows you to leverage existing skills without the need for upfront inventory costs, while print on demand enables creativity to flourish without the burden of storage. Dropshipping also eliminates hassle with shipping logistics, allowing you to focus on marketing and sales. As you delve into each business model, think about what excites you the most. Choosing a venture aligned with your interests can make the journey not only profitable but also enjoyable. Every successful entrepreneur started somewhere, and the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. Embrace the learning process, welcome challenges, and celebrate each small victory along the way. Now, take a moment to reflect on what resources you already have at your disposal. Perhaps you have a talent for graphic design or a passion for writing. This self-awareness can guide your decision on which business model resonates with you the most. Look around your space for potential supplies for handcrafted goods or consider the types of social media platforms you enjoy using. Each step you take, no matter how small, is a leap towards turning your vision into reality. Choosing the right business model is crucial, but remember that it's just the beginning. As you embark on this journey, stay open to feedback and learn from both successes and setbacks. This adaptability will enhance your strategy and refine your approach. Community support can also play a vital role. Connecting with fellow entrepreneurs through online forums or local meetups can provide valuable insights and resources. Now that you have a clearer picture of the diverse models available, it's time to choose one that genuinely excites you. Reflect on your passions, skills, and experiences. This will guide you toward the most suitable option. Whether it's sharing knowledge through tutoring or showcasing creativity with handcrafted goods, aligning your business with what you love will fuel your motivation and lead to greater success. Your journey towards entrepreneurship is not merely about setting up a business, it's about creating a life that aligns with your passions and goals. By taking decisive action, you can turn your aspirations into reality, paving the way for a fulfilling and successful career.